Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
What makes a rainbow? Have you ever wondered what makes a rainbow? Have you ever seen one? You might see a rainbow in the early morning when it rains. You might see one late in the afternoon when the sun is low. You might see one near a waterfall. Stand with your back to the sun on a sunny day. Then use a garden hose to spray a mist into the air. Can you make a rainbow? Rainbows need two things: sunlight and water drops in the air. Each water drop works like this prism. It makes the same colors as a prism, too. The colors are in the same order. To remember the order, use the name Roy G. Biv. Each letter stands for a color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Where do the colors come from? White light is made up of these 7 colors. A prism bends the light 2 times and splits it into separate colors. The light bends when it goes in on one side of the prism and comes out the other. Water isn't the only thing that works like a prism to bend light and bring out rainbow colors. Bubbles aren't prisms, but we see some of the rainbow spectrum as light bounces off the soap. A raindrop bends light like a prism. The light bends once when it goes into the raindrop. It bounces off the back and bends again when it comes out. It has been split into the rainbow colors. When those colors come into view, you see one of nature's most beautiful sights: a rainbow.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.